This week on an all-new episode of The Toxic Inspector.
Hey, Inspector. Sorry I'm late.
Not a problem, Wilson, old chap. I've been so absorbed in the work I've hardly even noticed your absence.
What's on tap for today, Inspector?
Well, I've just confirmed that these ruffle chips contain high levels of... What are you wearing?
What do you mean?
Where's your uniform?
I don't have it. It's at the cleaners.
The cleaners?
Yeah, it's the place where you bring your clothes when you...
I know what a dry cleaner is, Wilson.
Oh.
What I'm struggling to understand is why you would go to one when you know perfectly well that dry cleaning solution is filled with perchloroethylene.
Huh?
Which is bad for you.
Oh.
Perchloroethylene, often abbreviated to PERC, is a chemical liquid with several industrial applications, such as in dry cleaning and removing grease from metal. Exposure to PERC can cause irritations of the eyes, skin, nose, throat, and respiratory system, and it may also cause liver damage, and is a potential carcinogen. The level of exposure depends on the dose, duration, and situation, but workers in the dry cleaning and food service industries are at the most risk of overexposure.
So... that means I'm safe?
Only sort of.
Okay. Dang it.
While brief exposure in low amounts shouldn't spell cause for concern, it's still possible to experience the symptoms of PERC poisoning while inhaling the chemical off of dry cleaned clothing. The best way to avoid PERC exposure is to wash your clothes by hand or in the washing machine whenever possible, and only dry clean sparingly.
You just can't let me enjoy anything, can you?
Afraid not.
Why are we friends?
Don't miss an exciting new episode of The Toxic Inspector, only on Dherbs TV.